Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix speaker not working on your VIVO V60 Lite. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in these settings. So let's unlock the phone and go straight into these settings. Now here in the settings, we want to scroll down until we see sounds and vibration. And here we want to check the volume. So as you guys can see, we need to make sure that we have our phone set to ring mode. Now, as you guys can see, we need to set up our media volume, ring volume, notification volume, and alarm volume. You guys can set it up to yourself. These are my settings. You guys can copy them if you want. And what you guys can also do is just max them out. But I feel like these settings are actually optimal. Now, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the speaker grill. So as you guys can see, we have the speaker grill right here and right here. Now after you clean it with a soft brush or an air compressor, I recommend using a soft brush. It's much better and it can clean it much faster and also more effectively. What you guys can do after that is disable Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not rerouted to any other device, headphones, speakers, or cars. So go over the Bluetooth, and if it's turned on like that, then just tap on this switch right here and your Bluetooth will be off. Now what you guys can do after that is update your software. So sometimes it might just be a glitch that a software update can fix. So don't leave these settings, scroll all the way down, and here click on System Update. As you guys can see, it's checking for the updates automatically. I already have the latest version, and if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because as I've mentioned, it can fix those glitches like speaker not working. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.